Unlock photographic precision by mastering focus lock on your Nikon D850, a technique that ensures your subject stays razor sharp. First, let's decouple focus from your shutter button. Navigate your camera's menu to the custom settings menu. Then go to F controls, find AF activation, and change it from shutter off phone to a phone only. Now, when you press the AF on button, your camera will acquire focus. Release it, and the focus point remains locked. With focusing now independent, a half press of your shutter button will simply take the shot without reacquiring focus. This is invaluable when your subject moves slightly within the frame, like a dancer turning or a pet shifting position. You lock focus once, then recompose and shoot. For even more granular control, many Nikon lenses also feature an AFLOCK button. This button, when pressed while focusing, locks that specific focal distance, offering another method to freeze your focus when needed. By mastering back button focusing and understanding focus lock, you gain sophisticated control, ensuring every shot is tack sharp, no matter the action.